Hi guys! Nandito na kami sa Sabo Beach. Saugen! Is it Sabo anymore?
No, it's for real?
Yeah! Over
Why does it
there!
say
Oh.
Sabo Beach in
No,
Japan?
it's over there.
So
Saugen.
it's the same place as
Maybe
before,
they
right?
didn't change it. They didn't change the other name before.
But it's the same place,
Ito na
right?
kami.
Right, Jojo?
Yes, it's the same place for sure. Shoot! I'm gonna get a sand. Ganda. Ha? Ayan guys, oh, tingnan nyo. Ang ganda. Pero wala pa rin gaganda sa ano, Boracay. Dito kasi makakita kami ng ganitong sand, okay na. Masaya na kami. Ay, parang ayoko ng sand. Si Dennis, naganap siya ng parking space kasi kasama niya yung mga aso, then balikan ko sila. Sabi ko ikot lang ako dito, pakita ko lang sa inyo yung beach. Ayan guys, oh. Ayan, ganyan. Daming tao ngayon na. Grabe, bawal ang aso dito sa beach area. Kasi of course, for sanitation. Daming tao. Grabe, ang dami as in. Ayun yung water, oh. Maganda naman yung water, medyo malinis-linis naman. Cold? It's cold? Ay, ay, ay. Ah! Marky! Are you excited? Yeah. Yaya! Yaya, bantayan mo yung mga gamit. Oo, tingnan natin. Ay, hindi. Wala silang pake, bunso. Alay ko, malamig. Malamig? Ay, shucks. Ang daming tao, grabe.
Ito yung sinasabi nilang mainit.
Ito ba yung Boracay natin? Pangit naman. Ito ba yung Boracay ng Canada?
Ito yung sinasabi nilang mainit.
Pero ang daming tao ngayon ha. O talaga lang sikat to?
Kasi ito lang ba?
Warm at saka walang bayad. Tsaka malinis. Kasi hindi naman tayo allowed mag-swimming kung hindi siya ano eh. O, diba?
Ito yung mga puwet.
O, ito mga puwet. O, ayan. O. May ano ba yon?
Ha?
Ay, akala ko may tattoo.
May band-aid.
Asan yung mag-ama? Ay, ang layo na nila, buso. Ang layo na nila. Oh, shoot. Titile. Yung asawa mo parang gusto magbaka pero yung anak niya nagsiswimming na. Ano ba yan? Beach? Ay, Ay, hindi, pero di ba sa Philippines, ano siya? Bakit? Pareho lang naman ang tubig ang lake at saka hindi. Mas malamig ang lake.
Matabang.
Ah, matabang. An ocean pa lang, ano. Ah, Jojo. O, di pwede siyang uminom dito, hindi maalat. Wala, patawa lang. Mawa naman si Dennis, yan nakita to. Sabi niya, nakarating naman daw siya dito marande. Oo nga, nasaan na yung anak ko? Rating. Marky! Is it cold? Is it cold? Very cold? Oh no. Yan, pabalik na kami sa sasakyan. Tapos na sila mag-swimming. Yan o, may beach burger. Sabo.
Left, right.
Straight.
Ito mother pa ako ito.
Tanga. Ano lang yan? Di papalitan nila lahat ng upuan from Sabol magiging ano. Yeah. Yeah. Ayan. Molly, you're all over the place, Missy. Look at Butler walking straight. Nabalik na kami ng sasakyan. Uh-oh, their best friend. I see a best friend. Days. Oh, my love.
Natawa yung ano.
Oh, that's your car? Oh, shoot. So it's not 10 minutes, my God. Not even like...
They're in the lot over there.
Oh, 1 second, my love. Morning walk with them. Come here. We're still here at... Where are we, my love? Owen. We're here at Owen Sound. Good morning, guys. Another day. We're here at Koti Inn in Owen Sounds. And we're preparing for our day today. We're going to Tobermory to experience the shipwreck. And we're taking the dogs. We're walking them first so that we make sure that they pee and poo today. Because the fam bam's still inside. Oh, this is the extension of our rooms. Pinapagod namin sila para mamaya tulog na lang sila habang nag-travel kami. Kasi from here, Owen Sounds, it's still like, I think 30 minutes to an hour to go to Tobermory. Ay, sorry, Butler. Having my coffee. Oh my God, she still didn't do anything. Not even a pee. Yeah, ang daming tao rito sa Quality Inn. What, my love? There's a lot of pee, but I didn't see it. I think it's Butler. I didn't see her pee.